Now let's move on to the pull-up. So a vast majority of beginners cannot do a pull-up with just their body weight. And the name could be kind of confusing. For us, this category of pull-ups is actually when you are pulling downward with your upper body. So the motion is pulling downward, but the exercise itself is called a pull-up because you're pulling your body upwards towards the bar. So the leg assisted pull-up, we need a bar, nice and stable bar. For us, the bar is a little bit higher because we have people of all different heights. So we put a nice and stable box underneath the bar, and we're going to step on top of it while holding on the side so we don't slip. The box could wobble a little, but as long as you feel safe and you feel comfortable enough, then we'll step on and use that box. So the hands are a little bit outside of the shoulder width, palms facing away from your body, having your forefoot or your feet right under the bar as a starting position. So when you're hanging down, you want a nice firm grip, and you want to hang with your arms right next to your ears. So we go onto our toes, we have a slight bend in our knees, and our body is hanging almost straight down from the bar. So you are supporting your body weight a little bit, but you're introducing supporting your own body weight while hanging on the bar. So to initiate the movement, we are actively trying to pull with our upper body. So just like we did for the band lat pull down, I'm pulling down with my elbows, trying to keep my shoulders down and engaging the muscles in this area, the lats. And of course, you'll feel it in your upper back and shoulders and arms too, but the focus is the back. And you'll go on your tippy toes to reach above the bar and just go as close to the bar with your chest as possible. So going up and down slowly. This movement can be more demanding because you are using your legs. So the muscles in your legs will get tired and the muscles in your upper body will get tired. So once you're done, hold on firmly to the side post and step down carefully. So some beginners have a challenging time really engaging and using the upper body because they feel they are just using their lower body. And it does take time for your upper body to start doing more of the work, but that's where patience come in, because even while you are using your legs, you're introducing this new movement pattern to your upper body. So even just practicing going in that motion is going to be a good start for beginners.